Hey guys, Huntington Beach, California. Rogue Nation, Eyes on the State, Hoosier News Now. We're at the city maintenance facility yard. So, no soliciting. That's not what we're doing. And there's no signs of a private road. It's off limits, so. Got a lot of cop cars here. A lot of cop cars here, guys. They're all lined up right here.
It says sandbags on the side, so maybe this is where citizens go to get sandbags.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. You got an old cruiser. Look at this. What is this?
Oh, gee. Don't you see that rabbit just run out from underneath there?
No.
Oh, this is the car I bet they teach people how to pit with.
Oh, yeah.
I bet that's what this is.
That makes sense.
Yep, this is their car that they teach people how to pit with.
But normally they're doing the pits from the front.
Yeah.
Well,
And
no,
hitting
they
the
pit
back
the
of the
other
car.
car in the back end.
Yeah, so they're hitting it with
They hit the
this.
suspect's car in the back end with their front end.
Right.
They just
Oh,
push
so they
into it like
so
that.
they're
They're hitting this bumper here.
to show how this would be the suspect in this car.
Right.
Exactly.
Gotcha. That's why you guys are smart and I'm not.
Obviously, they're not using these anymore.
Here's the training car
Okay.
right here.
Right.
See, this training car has them both in the front and the back,
Right.
and this one's only got them in the front.
This is pretty cool, guys.
So these are the two training cars right here that they use for that. That's
Uh-huh.
how they teach them how to do it.
Right. These are the pit cars. They train the cops how to do the pit maneuver. No. It's a city maintenance yard.
Okay, so
Probably working on them.
Shouldn't they be trading in these old ones?
Well, that's a question for them.
Putting a new one
I don't have an answer for that one.
in service?
Oh, look at this one. See, they tried it with this one. That one's squished on the front side.
Oh yeah, look at this one.
That one looks like a Blues Brother one almost.
Look at this car. You can actually sit in it.
Picture of you in there, buddy. Get a picture of me in there.
Yeah, let me take one of you.
Hold on, let me get up my glasses.
Yeah, this thing's had its day. Look at this crummy car, guys. Sitting in a police cruiser and I'm not even under arrest. Got nice air conditioning on both sides with no doors. All right, enough of that. What a junk. Well, that was fun times. I haven't seen one car here with a blue line in their flag.
These look like all older vehicles, though, like they're not in service anymore.
That's it. You wonder what they do to them. Did they sell them to the studios for pittance?
Or they use them like for training like the one.
Yeah, maybe that's what they do, all training. Got some motorcycles down here. Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 so far, 21, 22, 23, 24. $24 here. And I think I got them all here too, so yeah. 24 cop cars that seem to be out of patrol service and maybe used just for training. It's a lot of cars. But I suppose it's a normal amount for the size of a police department for training.
I didn't see a sign anywhere. Sign on the side right over here. Is there? Yep. Alright. There wasn't by these stairs right here, so. I was just right there going down the driveway. It says right there, that sign's right there.
Okay. Alright, so here's a sign right here, guys. So as long as I'm good right here, standing right here, I'm good. Boom, boom, boom. Well, Public Works, I don't even think they were aware of us, so I'm not giving it a pass. But it was worth coming out, guys.
Get to spread the good word.
So that should do it for this one. I'll probably do a repeat here, but not soon. Not soon. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for all the support. Shout out to Rogue Nation, Eyes on the State, and Hoosier News Now. Hitting it in Cali. That's what we're doing. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.